Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to earn free Shiba Inu coin on your Android phone. So let's get started. There are lots of mining applications on your Android phone, but some of them are scam and some of them are working for everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you about the application. Almost it worked for other users, so I hope it worked for you. It will work for you, of course, why not? Okay, let's go to Play Store. Search Shiba Inu Miner. This is the application we are using in this video. Instead of open button, you will see install option. Install this application on your Android phone. Once the installation is completed, click on open option to open this application. Before this surface, before this page, you will see sign up or login page. If you don't have account, if you're new to this application, sign up with your name, with your email address, and type password. Once you sign up, log into this application. At first, in top area, you will see three menu: earn, withdraw, refer. On the first menu, you can start mining and you can earn free Shiba Inu coin. And on the second menu, withdraw option, here you will check your lifetime balance, withdrawn coins, current balance, and you can withdraw a request. Like here, type the amount of coin you want to withdraw, and on the next option you can paste your Shiba Inu address, whether it can be Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, or any other exchange website. Copy the Shiba Inu address and paste it here, then click on submit option. Make sure you should have 1000 Shiba Inu coin because the minimum withdrawal balance is 1000. Okay, refer. Here you can refer your friends and earn 50 Shiba Inu coin. So you can install this application by the link in description, so I can get 50 Shiba Inu coin for free. Okay, how you can earn free Shiba Inu coin? By mining. Here you will see two options: start mining, start mining pro. Start mining pro is not working yet. In future it will work in future because it's under development. So click on start mining. Then here you will see a video of 11 second, 12 second. This is the advertising video. By watching this video, you can earn free Shiba Inu coin. This video is about 12 seconds. So the video should be completed. You cannot skip this video. Once the video is completed, then close this video. Here I just earned 5 Shiba Inu coin. Check here, I have 75 Shiba Inu coin. Okay, let's again click on start mining. Okay, now watch this video because the video is about 12 seconds. We cannot escape it. Watching, if you don't have time to watch this video, just click on start mining and put your Android phone on other side and do your other task. You don't need to just focus on this video, watch this video. No, you don't need. Just play this video and put your mobile on other side. Once the video is completed, then come back, close this video. Here you will see I just earned 5 Shiba Inu coin more. I know this application just give us less Shiba Inu coin, but again it's better. If you don't have funds, if you cannot buy this Shiba Inu coin because you don't have funds, then you can start free earning Shiba Inu coin, because Shiba Inu coin have lots of good news, and today Shiba Swap is live. You can use Shiba Swap. So I hope you just get this video. If you have any question or confusion about this miner application, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you know about any other mining website, mining application, make sure to share it with our subscriber, with me in the comment section. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video. Okay, till the next video, goodbye, see you.